that the bill be passed. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. Ayes have it. The motion is adopted.
So in the original constitution, it's divided between white and black. That either the center exercises the power or the state exercises the power. In division of power, there was no gray area. The GST idea actually created the gray area. And the gray area is that you will have a tax which will be jointly imposed by the center and the states. It will be one tax. The center and the states will all merge their taxes into that one tax. We have created India's first federal decision-making authority. And the first federal decision-making authority is that the center and the states will sit together. The states have a 2/3 vote. The center has a 1/3 vote. The majority required is 3/4. And by this method of pooled sovereignty, the center and the states will jointly decide what the taxation rates are, how the laws are, how they are to be administered. और इस देश में अगर multiple rates नहीं होंगे, if there were no multiple rates, it would become a highly regressive tax. And I'll give you the reason for that. अब मान लीजिए कोई राज्य बेबी फूड के ऊपर वैट लगाता है, तो उसको क्या 18%, 28% में डालें? आप यहां 0 में डालेंगे या 5 में डालेंगे? लेकिन अगर कोई BMW गाड़ी इस्तेमाल करता है तो उस पे और हवाई चप्पल पे, उस पे या बेबी फूड पर एक तरह का टैक्स तो लग नहीं सकता.
Now perhaps study was made in 2008-9. The bill was introduced promptly by the then UPA government. How many years have passed now? More than 7 to 8 years have passed. Ultimately, who is the loser in delaying it? It is the people of this country. They lost this money. Total 12 lakh crores. We lost it.